Novartis. Now what can I say about a company like Novartis? It's a company which touches so many lives, so many people, so many professions. It's a company with so much of pride, performance, promise. We asked people about Novartis and we saw recognition, admiration, respect, which is all expressed as, oh yes, Novartis.
I have a lovely family, a great husband and supporting in-laws. But my family feels incomplete without a baby.
I have been very happy to be associated with Novartis because it is one of the most fine pharmaceutical companies which I have known. I've enjoyed interacting and working with the people of the organization, and we all know it's the people which make an organization. I have had the fortune of working with them and interacting with them, and I know them for their reputation, and I know for sure that if there is one drug, any drug for that matter, marketed by Novartis, I could trust it and I could definitely prescribe it to any of my patients.
Oh yes, Novartis.
I want to play with my grandson. I want to dance at my daughter's Sangeet. I want to stand on my own feet, but I have arthritis.
The research product of overall, which to my mind almost remained at the forefront of drug therapy, especially for arthritis, back pain, lumbar spondylosis, fibrositis, had its merit in being less unkind to the stomach, well tolerated. And at times the research which they did and brought in a single dose was an epoch-making contribution. It was later found to reduce the dose and increase the efficiency. It's preferable to add anti-inflammatory effect, to which Novartis did a research and brought out a product, Sudar. I think this combination, in my practice, I found it useful, complementary, and does give quicker result in shortest possible time.
Haji Novartis.
आजकल दवाई लाइफ है, इसमें नोवार्टिस की दवा सबसे अच्छी चल रही है। आजकल डॉक्टर भी नोवार्टिस की दवाई लिख रहे हैं, इसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल भी बहुत अच्छा है। नोवार्टिस की दवा से पेशेंट तो फायदे में है ही है, साथ में रिटेलर्स भी बहुत अच्छा कमा रहे हैं। ओ यस, नोवार्टिस।
Novartis brings to my mind good quality, good service, great brands such as Boveron, Methargen, Tegretol, Syntocinon. The customer has no questions regarding the quality of the products which are part of Novartis. And we are all proud to be part of Novartis. Oh yes, Novartis.
The best thing to have happened was the merger of the Ciba and Sandoz, and we have grown continuously thereafter, and we are growing with them. Oh yes, Novartis.
I don't know what day it is, or month, or even year. I don't know where I am. And thanks to Alzheimer, Sometimes I don't even know who I am.
We have a condition in neurology which is called Alzheimer's disease. We have been fortunate in having a few drugs which do help this condition, and one such drug is the rivastigmine, which we have, and which fortunately now is available in India as Exelon. I think it's a wonderful drug. My experience with patients with Alzheimer's disease who are on this drug is very satisfactory. Novartis has come out with this drug. I think it's a real boon for us neurologists who are managing patients with this dementia. The sort of assistance that we get from the Novartis people is also very commendable. Whenever we have any queries or any things to be discussed, I must say that they are most prompt, and they immediately feed us with whatever information we need, and ultimately that all helps us in the overall management of our patients.
Oh yes, Novartis.
I brought up 5 children. I used to like the way they depended on me for what is right and what is not. And today, unfortunately, I have kidney problem. I depend on them for everything.
In 1984, there was a sudden revolution in transplantation when cyclosporin, or what you know as Sandymune, became available in our country. And since then, we've never had to look back. The results keep getting better and better. Patients live longer, better and healthier quality of life. And I must say, if there's one invention or one discovery that has really changed the lives of our transplant patients and had a major impact on our own lives, it has been cyclosporin. And for this, the then Sandoz and now Novartis company is really been a great help for us.
Oh yes, Novartis.
Hello, my name is Robert Thompson. I've been the Managing Director of Novartis India Limited for the past 9 months. I came to India from Novartis in the USA, and I've been with Novartis and one of its predecessor companies for 28 years. What I found here is that Novartis is a very well-respected company in India, and you can be proud to work for this company here. But we can be even better. We have great potential in India, and I would like to see Novartis India Limited become one of the top performing organizations in the world of Novartis. All the best for a successful year. Oh yes, Novartis.
From the very first beginning, Novartis offered me training, development opportunities, far my expectations. And having worked for 2 years in Novartis, Malaysia, I joined the Asia Pacific Regional Office in Singapore. Within the next 2 years, I had the unique opportunity to experience and see all the countries in Asia Pacific. Experience and memories that makes you good. Since January the 1st, 2001, I got the opportunity to come to India and to live and to grow further within this organization. From the very first moment I joined in 1997, I felt that something exciting and significant is underway. And why not? We've got an extraordinary exciting product portfolio and an exceptionally talented and dedicated sales and marketing team to make it happen. Oh yes, Novartis.
My best moment in Novartis came when I was selected for an international assignment at Singapore last year. This assignment gave me a rare opportunity to work in an international environment and develop myself personally as well as professionally. And in turn, also an opportunity to show to the world what work Novartis India is doing. Oh yes, Novartis.
They build your confidence and the customers welcome you.
Just few years back, I met with a serious accident and was immobile. Novartis stood by me with all its love, affection and care, be it medical care or constantly encouraging me during my dark days of life. This helped me to recover much faster. Oh yes, Novartis.
A lot of time and energy is spent on developing our skills. We keep growing all the time.
All the time it was Novartis, Novartis, Novartis. I never imagined Novartis would be a family.
Oh yes, Novartis.
You can see our happiness. We are proud to represent Novartis.
Oh yes, Novartis.
Novartis is a caring and curing company. In Novartis Pharma, we like to see excellence in action. We bring teams of all ranks and function together, focus on an opportunity or a problem, and quickly act on best idea. Results do matter. We have to be different, not just better. Oh yes, Novartis.